Alright guys, we're going to give you some tips today on how to clean your Epson EcoTank. You'll need the inkjet cleaning solution kit for this one, gloves of course, inkjet syringe and cleaning tools, and of course an instruction manual. Open the printer, then open printhead cover. Shop towels are needed. Some printhead covers require very small Phillips head screwdrivers to remove. Carefully remove the cover. Careful. There we are. Slide printhead to the side. Good job. Fold shop towel to fit in the printhead track. Here we go. We're folding it up. We're going to place that towel right in the track and slide the print head over the towel. Careful. We're going to detach the print head cartridges. Now we're using the syringe with the tube secured firmly. Then fill the syringe with the cleaning solution all the way. We're now going to attach the syringe tube to the print head and slowly press down the plunger. After using half of a syringe, push the print head along to a new spot on the towel. Repeat process until print head runs clean. Squirting and moving. Change towels when they become fully soaked. We're then going to repeat with the other print heads. Starting to look pretty clean. Reattach the cartridges to the print head. Put a clean towel soaked in cleaning solution under the print heads for 30 minutes. Remove the towel and replace the print head cover. Close it up and plug it back in. Wait until the power stops flashing, reset the error lights, and run the power cleaning from Utlities on Mac or PC. Not available through iPad app. Not available. Alrighty, you're going to run a test print. There it is. All right, looking pretty good. Let's run a whole full test print with tracing paper now. And there it is, looks good. So keep cleaning until it prints like new, super saturated. Here is the progress for each cleaning cycle. Thanks for watching this how-to on Epson EcoTank printers.